a cabinet. We have a cabinet here. This is a +3/+5, so it's basically, you know, it can be a pastry cabinet. You can place panini on any kind of things. We also have the double technology, which is you know, with a switch we can have it even hot without any problem. It comes with a straight glasses. These glasses, you know, they can be opened in the front easily in order to better cleaning. And it has a glass shelf here. And again, you know, we can have different kind of heights. In this case, you know, it's the same 150 centimeters with the top, exactly the same one as the bar counter. Now let's go to the back, guys. As you can see here, we have different kind of raised part. We can have, you know, classical raised part like this one. This is called Irish, or we can have modern raised part. You can see any kind of raised part in our catalog. Mainly what I have to tell you is this, guys. Either the modern or the raised part, they have obviously, you know, illuminations, they can lighting, you know. LED is an optional, but you know, we can have any kind of lighting system. They have, you know, shelves. They can have wood shelves or glass shelves. Basically, you know, it's up to you to combine the different kind of raised part with the facade. You don't have any obligation, you can mix them. Obviously we can even, you know, work made to measure facade. What I have to tell you is this: there are some of them where, you know, you can easily move the glass shelves like this one, or even this one. As you can see, you know, we have a glass shelves and a stainless steel, not just steel, but stainless steel, so it means quality, guys. With a system, you know, where easily you can move the shelves and place as many as you want and easily put them up or down according to your needs. There are others, guys, that the shelves are fixed, so you can either have just two or one if you need to place something underneath. So bear in mind that if you know you have specific needs, there are these kind of differences between the two systems. So here what we have a coffee bag counter, you know. Again, underneath we have stainless steel, so here there is the space for a dishwasher, and on this side, you know, there is always stainless steel and there is a space for the softener. Here we used in this combination we have a nice cocktail counter. Again, we manufacture very nice cocktail counters. Anything is stainless steel, they have round corners inside and different kind of optionals. As you can see here, guys, you know, all the top is in stainless steel. This means quality. The sinks can be round or square one, and we fix them on the top of the stainless steel. We have this specific working edge system so that all the water then won't spill it out. Now, let's talk about refrigeration. The refrigeration is built in, guys. What does it mean? That refrigeration, it comes with the counter. The engines can be on board or, you know, outside, either for the cabinet or for the refrigeration. Here we have different kind of systems. You know, we have, for example, and they are in the optionals. Usually the refrigerated counters, they come with stainless steel doors, you know, insulated like these ones as well. All the corners inside are rounds for better cleaning. We can have also, as an optional, you know, glass doors like this one. Obviously, they usually stay in the back in order to let customers from the front to see your drinks. Then, talking about, you know, drawers, we have this combination of three exactly the same ones, you know, for can of Cokes, can of Red Bulls and other things. We have half and half, you know, bigger one, like this one, or we have a small one in the top and a big one underneath. Now, I want to point it out, and I left it on purpose. All the stainless steel usually comes with a plastic like this one, and it was funny, one day one customer called me. He was desperate, and he said, "Patrick, I'm angry with you." And I said, "Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? You did not like my counter. Why are you angry with me?" And he said, "No, the counter is beautiful, your counter is perfect, but your guys left without taking away all the plastic on the stainless steel." And I said, "That's your job, man. It's something that you have to do by yourself." Anyway, it can be a tricky one, but it's not that difficult. Just be careful. There are some specific tools in the copper. There's a little copper pen usually to take this out, and this copper pen is inside, and easily this plastic is useful in order not to damage the stainless steel. Okay, now I want to talk also about the famous dies. What is this? What is it? Well, is it a second floor? As you can see here, is a second floor that we use, about 15 centimeters dies, and it has a anti-slip top, and it is fixed between the back counter and the bar counter. What's the use of this? The use of this, obviously, is because everything is built in. You don't have to destroy the floor. You don't have to wait us. So once we arrive, you can easily place underneath all the plumbing system and the electrical systems that comes from the bar counter and the back counter. So it's very useful. I will teach you the way it works. Okay, guys, I'll tell you how it works. Basically, underneath you have this kind of foot. It's in steel, and it comes with a foot bolt. So how does it work with the dies? When we have the dies, here we go, this is a dies, is an eye resistant wood. They do floor with this, house floors, and it has an anti-slip covering on the top. So usually the counters, they come like this. So what you have to do, you have to extend it, what we call the mail. We call this the mail, and you have to adjust the level. Obviously, fix everything with screws, and you just need a spanner, and you start working on the two bolt. Once you adjust it, the level of it. Once you fix the system, you have this steel bar. You place it on it, you screw it, and then on the top of it, you place this wood floor on the top of it. You screw everything, okay, and then on the top of it, you place this stainless steel bar. Okay, here we go. And so anything can pass underneath, and all the system is fixed. This is our patent. This fit is our patent as well, and it comes with the counters. So what I would like to do, I would like to thank everybody for watching this video. If you have any question, any kind of question, do not hesitate to contact us. Send us an email. We will be glad to answer your questions. If you like this video, you found it interesting, please do not hesitate to share it with your friends and in your favorite social networks. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe underneath. Thanks everybody, I'll see you next time. This is Patrick from Brando Group. Today we talked about bar counters from Braden, one of our divisions. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.